And welcome back to the Morning Blend. Would you believe me if I told you that the mother of three that you see here in this photo had just 3 treatments to go from the before picture that you see on the left to the after that you see on the right? What's the secret? It's called intense light therapy, and it helps erase age spots, blemishes, and other skin problems. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is here with the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa with more. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's so nice to have you.
Thank you.
Light therapy, I think, is something that, in fact, just hearing on the Today Show today, it's not just for women either. A lot of men are considering this.
Absolutely.
It helps, fixes, or corrects, or whatever, so many different kinds of skin problems.
It is phenomenal. You know, the way these very intelligent engineers are able to use the power of light to use it in different ways. For instance, the intense light we're talking about right now is using multi-spectrum, so visible light spectrum, but also some of the infrared spectrum, filtering out ultraviolet stuff, and be able to use that light to actually pulse onto the skin, and by using different filters, we're able to get the light to be attracted to different colorations of the skin. So dark pigment spots may be attacked, red spots, ocular areas, they can all be attacked by different focuses, different wavelengths of light, and then they'll come right to the surface and flake off or just go away. It's
amazing. Let's take a look at some of the before and after pictures. The first one is an example of AFT, and that's an acronym for what? And by the way, this is just 3 treatments here.
That's correct. We use advanced fluorescent techniques. It's actually the next step beyond the intense pulse light therapies that were developed in the late 90s.
Okay.
And so by using an even more advanced therapy, we're able to really use the light from one end of the spectrum and focus back on the skin to make it a more intense treatment. So in 1 treatment to 3 treatments, you'll see the same results that you used to take 5 or 6 to get.
Incredible. The next picture is a forehead. This, again, was just much more youthful.
Yes,
the skin looks.
That's right, because not only do we see effects on the pigment and the red discolorations, dyschromia as we call it, but we also can see fine lines and wrinkles actually having some improvement as well. And the skin really takes on a luminescent quality. I think you have seen that yourself.
Absolutely.
In one of our friends who had this done, and Sarah, our mom, who that we had done a makeover on.
This is Sarah right here. I'm glad you brought that up, because this is her cheek. It's unbelievable how luminous her skin looks now. And along with that, you took away all those age spots.
Yes, the age spots just disappear. And of course, if you go back out in the sun, you are going to cause more damage because it's cumulative. So you have to wear sunblock, and that's so important to stress to young people as well. Prevent this by wearing sunblock, but we can treat it.
Now, laser 360 is what?
Now, lasers are different types of light. It's a single wavelength of light that has been amplified. And so by using lasers as well as intense pulse light type treatments, we can really accomplish a lot more as far as resurfacing the skin, improving texture and fine lines. Laser 360 is where we combine fractionated laser with intense pulse light and sometimes an infrared light to actually improve and tighten the skin. So by doing different types of light therapies, we're able to really accomplish a lot. Tightening, improving texture, improving the tone and the condition of the skin.
It's funny because I have visited you many times for laser hair removal and other things.
Another thing.
And the technician that she says bar, the AFT, and all of the different things it can do, her favorite, and she does it at least once a year because she's just a fan of what it does to improve her skin texture and quality. Now, during the month of May, you're doing something fun to spotlight moms, right?
We decided, since we do light therapies, we wanted to actually use that to spotlight moms and make available to them so many of the different treatments that we have, and we'll be running promotions all month for mothers, and they can go on our website at wimedispa.com, or they can call and ask for, give us their email address so that we can email them our promotions, and we'll be doing several things all through the month of May. In addition, we'll be having Mom's Night Out on May 17th.
Love that.
We'll be having products, and we'll be having little treatments and things for reduced prices as well.
That's really nice. You just mentioned that people can go to your website and provide their email address. Morning Blend viewers go online to that site, give their email address if they want to be notified, so that they don't always have to be checking it. Then they can be notified of special things that you're doing to spotlight moms, right?
Either at your website, our website, on Facebook. So any way that people can just connect with us, we'll be glad to send them promotional material.
It's a great gift for mom, too.
It's a fabulous gift for Mother's Day and for moms at any time of the year.
I agree. And here's the information so that you can provide your email address and find out more about the specials during the month of May to spotlight moms. The Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa is located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. The phone number is 262-746 9088, and you can visit them online. That website again is wimedispa.com. Always a pleasure to have you.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
Still ahead on the show, we are giving away those tickets to see John Waite tonight. And now Tiffany has a preview of what's coming up after the break.
Thanks, Molly. Up next, you have to look beyond the lily, because guess what? Plant Doctor is here with the Easter Bunny, and we've got great ideas for Easter plants.